ಹಾನಿ ಬಾರದಂತ ಲೋಕ ಆಗಲ್ಲವರಿಗೆ ಮಹಾನುಭಾವ ಮುಕ್ತಿಯ ಕೊಡುವ ಧೀ ಕೇಶವ. ಓಹೋ ಏನು ಬಲ್ಲೆ, ಆಹಾ ಏನು ಬಲ್ಲೆ, ಓಹೋ ಏನು ಬಲ್ಲೆ, ಶ್ರೀಹರಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಜಗವು ಎಂಬುದು.
Of the celebration of Makara Sankranti. Usually, Makara Sankranti marks the sun's transition. Sun's transition is nothing but the way the sun moves from one direction to the another direction. So this Makara Sankranti marks that. For example, can you see the sun there? Where the sun is located? Is it possible? Right, sun is there, right? So now, from Makara Sankranti onwards, the sun move towards north. Okay, not is actually exactly not, it not rises in the northern direction, but gradually the sun starts to move towards north. That is called as Uttarayana in Sanskrit.
ಇರಲು ಪರಿವರ್ತನೆ ಈ ಸಮಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೊಸ ಬೆಳಕು ಮೂಡಲಿ ನಾಡಲಿ. ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಮಕರ ಸಂಕ್ರಾಂತಿಯ ಶುಭಾಶಯಗಳು. ಸೂರ್ಯ ಒಂದು ರಾಶಿಯಿಂದ
our rituals and culture we are following in our school. We celebrate all the festivals in a cultural manner. In this auspicious occasion,